All right, I was troubleshooting this amplifier to see what was going on with it. I wasn't getting any audio at all, and I thought maybe it was something simple because everything was acting really nicely. Where the amplifier turns on, I can hear something click, and then but just no audio. So I thought it might be a simple fix, but it turns out that it there's definitely something wrong with it, and I figured out what it was. So I just at least wanted to show you guys what I found out if you were working on a Yamaha A700 amplifier and trying to figure out the same thing. So it might shorten your troubleshooting here. So I took the bottom off of this thing and was looking at the circuit board and checking these things out to see if there was anything shorting, and figuring out the fact that this side of the transistors are okay, but all this whole entire side was not. It basically is shorted. So I simply took my my multimeter. So let's go ahead and do a quick demo of that. So I basically took my multimeter and put it on continuity or impedance, and checked out the transistors here. As you'll notice here, no issue on all this whole entire side. But when I got here and I started testing this thing, there's the issue. Each one of the transistors on one side is pretty much shorted. So that is pretty much the issue that is causing no audio. So this is not that hard to repair. You just need to buy the parts. I just don't have the patience to do it. But yeah, it's just literally unsoldering these and then resoldering brand new ones. But hey, at least I wanted to show you how I found out what the issue is with this amplifier, and maybe it'll shorten your troubleshooting if you have the Yamaha A700 amplifier and you're getting no audio. All right, so hopefully that helps someone out there. Comment if you have one of these, or provide something if it's something that we could use on troubleshooting. Hope you guys liked that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That is Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.